guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya for any of you that are new. In today's video, I'll be installing this half wig that you see here. If you guys are interested in seeing me install it and what I think of the unit, then continue to watch. Today's unit was sent to me from SamsBeauty, so I do want to say thank you to SamsBeauty for sending me this unit today. The unit that I'm going to be reviewing today comes from Outre. It is one of their quick weave half wigs. I have it in the style Jeanette, and then I have it in the color 1B. Before I jump into the video, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, follow me on my socials, which will be right here on the screen as well in the description bar below. Now let's go ahead and jump into this video. Showing you guys the front of the unit. It does have some combs at the front so you can have something to secure the wig onto or secure it with. It does have adjustable straps, and I did do the adjustable straps because since it's a half wig, we want as much security as possible. So I did kind of make it as tight as it would go. Definitely recommend because it makes the wig feel so much more secure. This unit claims that you can be styled in 60 seconds and that it lays completely flat and requires less leave out when wearing it. So I was looking at the model on the stock card and I saw that she had it down, but I was really thinking that this unit would be beautiful pulled with an updo, so I did kind of a half and half look. So what I did was I left about 25% of my hair out right in the front of my hairline because I knew that I wanted to make sure that it was going to be able to be pulled up into a top knot or top ponytail. So what I did first was straighten my hair out because it was still a little bit crinkly because I took it out of some braids that I had up underneath my wig. Please excuse any of the residue that you do see in my hair because I had some gel on it and I didn't want to wash my hair and then come back in and put more heat on it by drying it. So I just kind of dealt with what I had and kind of tried to comb out some of that leftover residue, so just try to ignore it if it bothers you. So what I did was straighten out my hair, add a little bit of curls, and then I put my wig cap on to the back of my hair. The rest of my hair is in a low ponytail. After that, I went ahead and after I straightened it and curled it, I did try to attempt to put it up in a ponytail, which was almost a fail. It was almost a fail, but I was able to get it up there once I kind of just played with it a little bit. And then actually my hair blended in pretty well, more well than I expected. So after I got it up in a ponytail, I was like, okay, I need a little bit more product on my hair. My hair was looking way too different texture from the unit. That's another thing I'll say about the unit. It isn't like it's not yucky texture, so it didn't really flow completely with my hair until I put a little bit more product on it. But once you get it up into the ponytail, it's definitely a lot more seamless and it doesn't look so completely different. So I used this edge control from Eben, New York. I've never tried this edge control before, but I actually really like it. I felt like it laid down my edges. My little baby hair is really good. So this might be one of my new jams as far as edge controls go. One thing I want to throw out about this actual unit is that these curls are super duper bouncy, and it is a high density unit. It is very full, like you get a lot of full thick curls, and I really like that it's evened out all the way around and we don't have any areas of the hair that have less pieces or, you know, just a lower density than the rest of the unit. So I think I did touch on the fact that it isn't a yucky texture unit, so if you do have my type hair, and I think I have 4B hair, yeah, I don't really know what kind of hair I have, but if you do have like that texture hair, it's not gonna look exactly the same, so you just got to be able to play with it a little bit to make sure that you can get it as blended as possible. But I really do like the fact that I was able to put this unit up into a ponytail look and it's still all flow, even though it's not really claiming that with this wig that is a style that you can do. There's nowhere on the stock card where it says that you can wear it in an updo, so I was actually very happy to see that it is versatile and that I actually can, you know, wear it in a different style rather than it just being down. So I really like how it came out. I hope I gave you guys some good information to help you make your decision on whether you would like to try this unit out. I definitely highly recommend it if you want some experience with half wigs. I like this one. I really do. So that's all I have for you guys. Alright y'all, that is the end of the video. I do hope you guys enjoyed it. I want to say thank you again to SamsBeauty for sending me this unit. I really am feeling this unit a lot, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.